We've got an irate guest of another guest here, running around with a gun here. We need somebody. He's beating up on his old lady.
The second 911 call was from a woman who reported her husband had taken her baby and was shooting a gun.
Van Buren!
Phoenix
Hurry up!
Where's your emergency?
Van Buren, hurry up! Van Buren, 7th Avenue. My husband just took my baby. He has a gun. He's loaded. He took the baby. He's trying to kill him. He's shooting fire. He's shooting fire. Man, hurry up! He's trying to shoot. He's going to kill people. He's on 7th Avenue. He's on 7th Avenue, Van Buren. He's shooting guns. He got my son. He stole my son.
As the suspect walked out of the hotel and onto Van Buren Street traffic, 911 callers saw the man holding a driver at gunpoint. This caller was in line at a nearby business.
Phoenix 911, what is the address of your emergency?
I'm on 7th Avenue and Grand McDonald's in the drive-thru, and there's this black man that stopped a white car, and he has a gun, and he has a baby in his arms.
Okay, is he pointing the gun at somebody?
Yes, he's pointing at the gun at I guess somebody's in the white car. He stopped the white car in the street, and he has a baby in his arms, and he has a gun.
They're in the drive-thru. He's standing outside of a car, holding a baby and
Yes.
pointing the gun at somebody?
Yes, he is shooting. He's shooting right now.
Here is a video from a nearby camera which shows the suspect walking out onto Van Buren Street and shooting his gun while holding the baby as officers were arriving. Officers arrived within a minute of the 911 calls and saw the suspect armed and shooting a gun. He was holding the baby. Officers told the suspect to drop the gun, and he refused.
Gun. Oh, hey! Drop the gun! Drop the gun, dude! 511, he has a kid hostage right now. He has a gun. He has made one gunshot already. We need more units. Block off all traffic. Got a black male with a child. Dude, put the kid down, man! Stop!
2 other officers arrived to help.
He's got a gun, man. He's got the kid.
An officer armed with a city-issued rifle shot at the suspect when he saw the suspect point the gun at the baby and others. The view of the officer's camera is obstructed due to the door frame.
3 to 4, don't check up more units coming. They're on the way.
The suspect was injured, and officers immediately ran to the baby and the driver of the white vehicle to move them to safety.
Hold on. No, fuck it. Get the kid. Get the kid. Come here, buddy. Come on, buddy. Come on. I got the kid. Hi, buddy. Hi, buddy. Are you okay? Hi, bud. I know.
He has been identified as 37-year-old Paul Bolden. The gun which was used by Bolden was also located. There were no injuries to officers or any serious injuries to community members. However, several businesses in the area were damaged.